Hello, right, okay, so bit of a quick video, but you remember the BMW 650? It fired a spark plug out? Well, after looking around, this is the cheapest option. Yes, that's right, Heli Coil. And I did it with the engine inside the bike still. Luckily, I watched lots of videos and everyone said you can do it, just make sure you spend ages to get all the metal filings out, which I did. And here we go. Okay, here it goes. And there you have it. The bike is back together, and well, not back together. I've still got it in pieces, but it's running. I'm gonna dump the oil, filter the oil next week probably, and then refill the oil just to see if there's any metal in there. Run a magnet through it, or run a magnet along the bucket, or something like that, just in case something is in there. Do I recommend doing it? No, absolutely not. It's a horrible job, but I was thinking, you know what, worst case scenario, I'm going to have to buy the middle part of the engine and it's going to have to come apart anyway. A £9 fix. That cost me. Once again, BMW, you have a history of braking in a way that I think it's going to cost a lot of money and then it ends up costing only a little bit. How is this bike still alive? I do not know. I'll never be able to sell this BMW even if I wanted to. No one would want it. But yes, it's tapped, it's helicoiled, and I just need to, yeah, like I said, drain the oil and stay tuned for maybe next month I'll take it for a good road test and see what happens. Maybe even I'll go for a weekend away on it just to stretch its legs. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Sorry there's no longer video or anything. I didn't feel like videoing that sort of thing. I was 100% concentration. Didn't want to faff around with setting up any cameras. Thanks for watching. But yes, it can be done. Don't recommend it. It can be done. So hopefully you see the BMW back on the road or off-road soon. Goodbye.